We're gonna have to be on the boat for a long, the whole day.
Are you sad about this?
Because it's the long tour.
But are you sad about it?
No.
Not at all.
Because we just started moving. Ooh, that's nice. This is nice.
I feel like you're living the life here. Are you living the life?
We just got soaking wet.
Doing what?
Jumping off a diving board.
Yeah.
And we didn't dive.
You were pretty brave jumping off that diving board.
I had a full noodle. I just chucked it in and then I jumped.
Yeah. Is that fun?
Yeah. But we're stopping again. So, yay.
Yeah, you wave back.
One.
We got a little boat commerce action going on here. All right, go ahead. One, 2, 3, go. Nicely done.
All the comedy in this video.
All right, go. Good. Lunch? What's up for you?
Can I have red?
Bu noktada Gökçeoğlu şeyin adı ise eskisinden Doliches'ti. Doliches'te antik kent. So most of the buildings on the right side that you can see has fallen into the water because of the earthquake, and earthquake has happened about 3,000 years ago, and this island actually was a part of the mainland, and it has been separated from the mainland with an earthquake, and most of the city went under the water. That's why it's called Sunken City. So here again on the right side you can see a building which is quite clear, and this used to be an ancient Roman bath, and this Roman bath has been used for cleaning and for keeping the diseases away from the city. So you can see the roof shape of the house over here, and that cubic hole on the rock on the middle part of the roof. They put a block of wood and they use that as for the beams of the house. They build the floors by putting the wooden blocks inside this hole, and they build the floor.
Good.
Yeah, it's been good. Just good.
Yeah, just good.
Not amazing.
Not everything is amazing.
I think we're supposed to go this way. Yeah. Aw, he's coming with you. We gotta find the tombs. How do you know that? Gotta keep looking. Is this the way? I'm trying to get over there. So head right, maybe. Positive, but we think we have found the way to the beach on this tiny little island. It's really interesting. There's no like roads. It's all kind of like alleys. You feel like you're about to end up in someone's house or restaurant. Maybe that's the point. Lead you to a restaurant and then you have to sit and buy something. Anyway, on to the beach. You say you found the way?
There is a baby kitten.
Oh, that is the sweetest thing. Got ourselves some pomegranates, I think. Around the cactus, of course. What else do you expect from Turkey? And the beach. Doing over there? Are you on your phone?
Yeah, he's wearing the Terraria wiki. Mom, can you come off the
Come
rocks
all
so
the
you
way
can
to
help me take this off?
Turkey.
Can you help me
Jack's
take
on
this
his
off?
phone.
Mom!
So somewhere over here are some Lycian tombs, which I kind of feel like we're desecrating.
It's not much sand.
And there's my son. All right, we'll get back through the maze of this little town. So pretty. There's the castle. But we decided not to go to the castle. A little too far. climb on up. Come on. I will, after you. Last one of the day. Hey, Bren.
Yeah?
Say hi.
I cut my finger.
Nice.
Well, I'm going up.
Great. Good work. Last jump. You guys are about to come into the port. What was your favorite part of today?
Having the place where I could jump off without having to wait about.
Jumping off.
And ice cream.
Why did you like jumping off and diving board so much?
Because I don't know, it was really fun.
No,
Watching
you
Jack
just
fail at
jumped-
diving. Also, the kitty cat. There was a little baby cat and I picked it up.
Yeah.
It went.
Anything else?
No. Not really. Ice cream and swimming. That's what we did.
Swimming. All right.
Just about to park. So, yeah.
What are your thoughts about today?
It was very good. But I didn't dive.
You did well. You tried the one time, didn't you? You were brave and tried.
That's only because they
Tekrardan
Two.
güzel bir
But you
video
tried, and I was
olarak
proud.
bizlerle birlikte çok teşekkür ediyoruz ve iyi tatiller dileriz efendim. Çok sağ olun.
She says nothing to it. Look at her pretty eyes. Now, right in the middle of town, we got ourselves a Hellenistic temple. Lycian tombs. They said that it's shaped like an upside down boat because they believed they would use it to travel to the afterlife. That's so interesting. All right, let's go to our hotel.